Hop into the 2019 Lexus ES. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly elegant ES delivers exceptional passenger comfort. A spacious premium cabin and a host of deluxe amenities let you make the most of this midsize sedan's luxuriously smooth ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: moonroof, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get the luxury you deserve in this meticulous ES. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.